So let's say that you would like to have multiple organizations with the same name, but perhaps they're all kind of related to each other. Perhaps one is the main address or main headquarters, and then the other ones are just branches or like daughter organizations. So let's go over all the possibilities we have here within Pipedrive. So I'm gonna add one organization. Let's call it Voda, and let's give it some address within Europe, maybe Estonia. Okay. Here. That's okay. So there's my new organization. So one thing that I can do is go over to the settings and add more address type custom fields to organizations. So here we have just one address field. Let's go again to this add a field, and where's address? Oh, there it is. So let's just call it address branch, and let's add another one. Address branch, address branch 2. Okay. Now let's go over to the same organization and Voda, and then add another address, and United Kingdom somewhere. So you have that there, and then another address for that other one, United States, just like that. So that's one option. The other option would be to add the organizations into this little box here where it says related organizations. Let's go ahead and click on plus, and let's add Voda up. I don't know, USA. So since it doesn't exist, it's going to add that as a new company. So let's call Voda USA the parent company. Add. So that's the other option. So you can see here from Voda that it's related to another one, Voda USA, which is the parent. And if you go to Voda USA, you can see from the related organizations that Voda is a daughter. So that's another option. Yet another option would be to go to the custom fields again in the settings and go to customize fields for organizations and add a field organization type, and let's call this branch, and another one, organization branch 2. So here it is. Now when you go to Voda, you can add those branches here. So this is just another option. You can go here and Voda Europe. It's going to add it as a new one because it doesn't exist in my database. So there it is. So those are a couple of options you have in Pipedrive to kind of relate organizations to each other. So if you're only interested in like the addresses, my recommendation would be just to add more address type custom fields and just add those addresses there. But if you want to just have those contacts separated, you can go ahead and create the new contacts and relate them to each other either by putting them here in the related organizations box, or just by creating new custom field type organization fields. and just add in those organizations there. All right.